Hey everyone, today we're going to show you how to inspect and replace your air filter on your 2024 and newer Polaris RZR XP 1000. You want to check this every 500 miles. It's simple to do and it's going to protect your engine. So let's go ahead and jump into it. To get this done, you need a replacement filter. We went with the Tusk Pro Defense air filter. This is a premium option that's nano coated for optimal protection, but we've got several options for filters on our website. Now, we're also going to be using some safety glasses or rags and a little bit of grease. If you need a filter, you can find those on our website or just click the link in the description below. To start out, we're going to remove both rear seats. After that, loosen up the 4 quarter turn clips in your access panel and remove it. Next, release the 5 clips on your air filter cover. Let it drop down and pull it out. Then to remove the air filter, pull it towards the passenger side, and then we're going to bring this over to the bench to inspect it. To inspect the filter, if you see this is packed with dirt, or if you see any tears or visible damage, definitely get it replaced. But if you're not quite sure if you should run it again or not, you can hold it up to the light and compare it to the new filter. If it's a lot darker or you don't see any light coming through those pleats, then it's time to replace it. To prep the new filter, there's a couple things we need to do. So one, we're going to take this old plastic ring off and clean it, and then set that onto the new filter. And then you want to grease this rim. It's going to be a really light coating of grease, but that's going to help with installation and removal when it's time to replace it. Now back at the machine, we want to wipe out any dirt and dust from the intake opening, the airbox, and even the airbox cover. We're going to wipe that off. And then we're going to take a look at the seal around the airbox cover and make sure it's in good condition. And then we can go ahead and slide the new filter back into place. Make sure it's all the way seated. After that, we're going to hook the bottom of the airbox cover into the airbox, rock that forward, and reinstall the 5 clips. After that, we can reinstall our access panel. And the seats. That's all it takes to get that nasty air filter out of your 24 and newer Polaris RZR XP 1000. Again, it's going to be the same for the 2 and the 4-seaters. If you have any questions, leave those down in the comments. If you need a new air filter for your machine, you can find those on our website. Just click the link in the description below. Now, if you want to see more helpful content like this, subscribe to our channel. I'm Charles with Rocky Mountain ATV MC. Thanks for watching.